Hi there, viewers. Welcome back to the Red Button Challenge, your go-to place for uplifting your life and transforming your health. Today I've got something very special for you, a power-packed session that's going to revolutionise the way you think about weight loss and fitness. For practical outcomes, I recommend listening to this session daily to fully embrace its transformative effects and be part of the Red Button Challenge community by subscribing to my channel, and please like and share this video with your friends. Don't miss my homepage video to explore my vision for a global shift in consciousness. So are you ready to shed those pounds, turn up that belly, and feel absolutely fantastic? Well, you're in the right place. I'm about to share 100 powerful affirmations that will shift your mindset, turbocharge your motivation, and set you on the path to the healthiest version of yourself. Whether you're just starting out or you're well on your journey, these affirmations are your daily dose of inspiration to keep you moving, shaking, and absolutely crushing your fitness goals. So grab a pen, take notes, and get ready to repeat these mantras every day. Let's dive in and transform our lives one affirmation at a time. I am on a journey towards a healthier, happier me. Every day I am getting closer to my ideal weight. I respect and love my body at every stage of my journey. Each step I take is a step towards a trimmer me. I am capable of achieving my weight loss goals. My body is becoming more toned and attractive every day. I am committed to weight loss and feeling great. Healthy eating is becoming easier and more enjoyable for me. I am transforming into someone who loves exercise. I am proud to see the progress I make every day. My belly is getting flatter every week. I am in control of my eating habits. I find joy in healthy living and weight loss. My body is a temple, and I treat it with respect. I am gaining confidence as I lose weight. Every healthy choice I make adds up to big changes. I am shedding pounds and gaining energy. I am amazed at what my body is capable of. I am creating a body I love and appreciate. My journey to weight loss is filled with success. I love the feeling of getting fitter. I am more than capable of reaching my weight goal. Every day I am moving closer to my dream body. I choose to make positive changes for my health. My determination is stronger than my cravings. I am learning to love the journey, not just the destination. I am becoming a healthier version of myself. I am letting go of unhealthy habits. I am worthy of a fit and healthy body. My body is responding positively to my efforts. I am enjoying the process of becoming trim and fit. I am grateful for my body's ability to lose weight. I am the creator of my own health and happiness. Every little bit of effort counts in my journey. I am becoming stronger in every way. I am motivated to be the best version of myself. I am discovering new ways to enjoy losing weight. I am an inspiration to others on my weight loss journey. My goals are within reach with every passing day. I am transforming into a more vibrant and energetic person. I am proud of my commitment to losing weight. I am excited about the changes I am making. I am learning to embrace and love my body. I am making choices that contribute to my well-being. I am patient with my body as it transforms. My belly fat is melting away as I nourish myself. I am excited to see my progress each day. I am dedicated to becoming the healthiest version of myself. I'm finding joy in activities that help me lose weight. I am creating lasting health and fitness habits. Every healthy meal brings me closer to my goal. I am attracting a life of health and happiness. I am letting go of what doesn't serve my body. My efforts are paying off in amazing ways. I am creating a body I am proud of. I am deserving of a fit and healthy life. I am overcoming challenges on my weight loss journey. I am finding strength I never knew I had. I am excited about my transformation. I am a role model for healthy living. I am celebrating every pound I lose. I am embracing a lifestyle that makes me feel good. I am confident in my ability to lose weight. I am amazed at my body's ability to change. I am enjoying the adventure of getting fit. I am making progress every single day. I am proud of my body's resilience and strength. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am creating a new, healthier version of myself. I am full of energy and vitality. Every workout brings me closer to my dream body. I am committed to being the healthiest I can be. I am loving the journey towards a trimmer waist. I am motivated by my incredible progress. I am taking control of my health and fitness. I am worthy of a happy, healthy life. I am seeing results from my hard work. I am embracing positive change in all aspects of my life. I am amazed at how much better I feel. I am a beacon of health and wellness. I am enjoying my journey to a slimmer me. I am making choices that reflect my desire for health. I am very proud of my ability to change my habits. I am a success story. I am grateful for my body's ability to transform. I am amazed at my own strength and determination. I am creating a life where I feel good in my body. I am on a path to a healthier, more vibrant me. I am making my health a top priority. I am discovering new ways to love my body. I am in awe of my body's capacity to heal and change. I am becoming more disciplined with my health routines. I am excited about the new me that's emerging. I am taking action towards my fitness goals every day. I am proud of the choices I make for my health. I am embracing the challenge of losing weight. I am amazed at the positive changes in my life. I am becoming an expert at taking care of myself. I am motivated by my desire to be my best self. I am on a lifelong journey of health and wellness. Well, what a journey we've embarked on today. I hope you're feeling as energized and inspired as I am. Remember, your journey to a healthier, happy you is not just about the numbers on the scale. It's about loving yourself, respecting your body, and embracing a lifestyle that brings you joy and vitality. I challenge you to pick your favorite affirmations from today's list and repeat them every morning. Make them your mantra, your battle cry, your gentle whisper on tough days. You are powerful, you are capable, and you are on your way to greatness. If this video inspired you, please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content that fuels your soul and transforms your life. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see where your journey takes you. Until next time, stay strong, stay positive, and keep chasing your best self.